A man decoded the text of
Hey, Deanie.
Will the supervolcano in Yellowstone destroy our planet? Stanley Ember is an anthropologist. He thinks we have reason to believe in life.
I suppose if you really wanted to stay around in a place that was struck by an apocalypse, that would be a good idea. I'd rather move.
A lifetime spent studying supervolcanoes has convinced Ambrose they are forced to be feared.
If Yellowstone injected bad gases up to 50 kilometers into the stratosphere, we have to fear global famine. We can imagine complete loss of crop production for decades to centuries.
In 1980, Mount St. Helens erupted in Washington State, sending volcanic ash over 10 kilometers into the air. Ambrose thinks this makes eruption.
They're wild, man. Oh, now he wants to get in on it. Watch. He's going to learn how to play. Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh. Oh, my God. How beautiful.
It was so firm, it left a crater 100 kilometers long, still visible today.
Volcanic ash rained down over an area larger than the size of the United States. That's big. The Earth was surrounded by this thick blanket of sulfuric acid haze. The sun weakened. Much solar energy was reflected
No way.
to outer space. The landscape around the world was basically devegetated. If you lived anywhere from Southeast Asia across to India and Pakistan,
Look at him.
the land would have been covered with a very, very
This is
fine
so beautiful.
white dust. That's the volcanic ash. And it is really fine and it is really white. And
Look at that one.
snow,
It's okay.
sunlight off the
Okay. Oh, we'll take a break.
didn't melt. It had to be washed away by the rains whenever the rains occurred. And that doesn't seem to have been very often. It's
You like the box?
shock to the world system, what I call an instant ice age.
Before the eruption of Toba, the Earth was home to a healthy population of humans. Ambrose believes we can judge our fate
Look at that.
by looking at what happened to them.
The volcanic eruption caused a population crash unlike any that had been seen previously in human history.
I see you, sweetheart.
During the next
It's okay, Houdini.
very few archaeological
All right, we're going to take a little break.